I just said
This
it.
meeting is being recorded.
Yeah. Hello, everyone. Today is April 6th, 2022. This is a data protection working group in Kubernetes. We don't have too much agenda today. The couple of CAP updates, we'll just quickly go through if there's anything new there, and then we will open the discussion to the group. If there's any discussion, we can continue. Otherwise, we will just return half an hour or something to the group over here. Let's first go through the CAP updates. Volume populator, I think is anything new from that side, Ben, Shane?
So the update from alpha to beta did merge in the 124 or by the 124 feature freeze date. We got tests, we got docs. So it's going to beta. We have all the releases done. I just need to write a blog about it.
Yep. Did I lost your voice or just you done?
Hey, can you hear me?
Yeah, now I can hear you. You were talking about
okay.
you need to write the blog, and that's it. I lost the remaining.
Yes.
Sorry.
Oh no, that was the last thing I said. Was I need to. There's going to be a beta blog that will update the blog that will describe how to use the feature now with the updates since alpha. And that hasn't been written yet, but everything else is done for this cycle.
Nice. Huge congratulations.
Thank you.
Yeah,
There was a lot of help from other people in the community. It wasn't just me.
I know, but it's a group work for sure, but just a lot of work.
Yeah.
Great job.
Yeah.
Okay. Volume mode convention. This is from Xin, right, Xin?
Yeah. Ronak is the one who's working on this, and he's probably not in the meeting. Yeah. So it's going on well since that code is all auto tree. So we are not limited by the in-tree code freeze deadline. So I think we will need to cut another RC release from external snapshotter. And after that, we'll just continue to update the changes to external provisioner. Yeah, so I think things are on track. And the results, there will be a blog as well.
Sounds good. This is also targeting 1.22?
1.24.
No, 1.25, right?
1.20. No, this is 1.24. So basically the auto tree thing, we normally cut our sidecars after the Kubernetes release. So it's 1.24 as well. Alpha 24.
Got it.
So basically right now it's a work in progress.
Got it. Thank you. Kazi?
So I think Cozy side, the cap is still being reviewed. There are back and forth. I see that Sid just updated the cap yesterday. So
yeah,
still being reviewed. So, review progress.
What is the next milestone with Cozy so that
I think it has to be 1.25. It's too late. 1.24.
Right, but what I mean is as after we get all the spec issues sorted out and agreed to and merged, like then what?
Then we need to update all the implementation, right? So we actually already have the implementation, but it's based on the old cap.
API.
So now we just need to update all of those. Yeah, I think it's just once.
Okay,
so I think
and in principle that could happen as part of like the Kubernetes 125 release. That's what you're saying, right?
Because right now it's way too late for 1.24. It's going to GA. The cap is still not yet. It's not just way too late. I know this is out of the tree, but still. So
even 1.24.5 may not necessarily be realistic.
1.25 it's possible because once the cap is in, then we just need to update the implementation, which should be quick, relatively quick.
Yeah, but the key
Yeah,
thing is that the vendors.
I'm
also
trying
need-
to understand the best case. Like I realize things can always slip. I'm just trying to get the
Right, the best
best
case is
case figured out.
1.25, yeah. What do you mean vendor? I'm not getting what you're trying to say.
Cause it needs to the object storage windows to be able to provide the interfaces, right? In order for
No,
Cosy
it's
to-
already, yeah, there's already interfaces, right? It's just need to be agreed on the CAP has those interfaces. It has
Right.
both Kubernetes APIs and also this gRPC interfaces. You just need to
Right.
get that merged and then implement that. And I mean, there are already implementation, just need to update the implementation based on the updated design. And there is also the sample driver, right? Ben, what is the sample driver? I think we removed the
Demo driver
mini one.
works for S3 and the GCS.
I think a sample driver is different. It's not really S3. It's just an example, I believe. Do you remember, Ben? Because initially I think there was a mini driver, but then I think because the license changed, so that one is no longer there. We archived that, I think. There was a sample driver. I forgot exactly what, is that just writing to a file? Ben, do you remember what that sample driver do? I don't remember.
I don't remember. I remember the Mingo driver getting removed. I know that like NetApp did a POC with the old alpha and our implementation. And so like, as soon as there's a new implementation, we'll update our POC, but like turning that into a shipping product is still a lot of steps to go.
Yeah, but good thing is there are actually a lot of vendors are already doing some POC with it. You know, Grant from Portworx, he also has done a POC just based on the sample driver. So yeah, so just need to get the CAP merged first.
Cool. Anyways, this is
I'll just say hopefully.
hopefully 1.25. Yeah. Okay, Juan. CBD.
Yeah, I can just give a quick update because we haven't got much progress so far on the prototype. We need to do some more research to see which APIs, what vendor that have an API for us available for us to play around with. And we need to do some experiment before we can code up the prototype. So that is the short update for on our side. We trying to have a meeting among the people who are involved in this project every week on Thursday afternoon, Pacific time. Last week we have it on at 6 p.m. But this week, a few members of our team request to move it up 1 hour, so we will have it at 5 p.m. I will post the information about the meeting on Slack. So if you are interested, you can follow us on Slack for the channel for the data protection to get more detail.
Hey, Fang, you have all the meeting notes in the same doc, right?
Yeah, all the
Okay,
meeting notes in the same
great.
doc. Yeah.
Okay. Thank you for capturing the notes. That's very helpful.
Yeah, I mean, I capture all of the notes, and if you don't want to attend a meeting, you can just read the note to get the gut of what's going on. Yeah.
Cool. Sounds good. Okay. The any open issues? Xin, I saw you put one over there. KubeCon. You will be there now.
Oh, good. Yeah. So I will be there. Yeah, I'll be there in person. Xiangqian, you're saying you will be
No, I can make
virtually, right? Okay. All right.
Yeah, I can make it.
Okay. Yeah. So we will have a session. So it's going to be a virtual session for the data protection group. Tom, you added there, right? You will be there?
Yeah, we have a bunch of people going. I was wondering if we want to do a face-to-face or anything like that.
Will be attending. I think that's a meetup. So let's see. So I'll be there. let's say in person. So who else will be there in person?
I'll be there as well. My name's Ivan.
I'm sorry, can you write down your name?
Sure.
Yeah, it's probably easier people who are going can have their name here.
Yeah, just, yeah, please write it down yourself.
Is there a SIG storage face-to-face too?
No, there won't be because Saad, Michelle, they are not going there. So,
Yeah,
but myself and Yang will be there. We have a SIG storage deep dive session. So that session will be in person. We can, so there is I wonder, there will be a contributor meetup on Monday. Usually there'll be some tables there. I wonder if we could just gather there, if that makes sense, or should we do it later? Will everybody be there on Monday though? I guess that's another question.
I'll be there Monday. I'm happy to man a table if we'd like that. Sure.
Yeah, I can ask so I know last time I just see there was some information about this contributor summit. They say it's going to be similar to last time. Last time it's just a pretty, I think it's a kind of a very quiet event. We don't really have any formal agenda going on. Just there are some tables, so you can just grab a table and sit there. So we could do that. I can, yeah, let me ask those people.
Yeah, that'd be great.
Let's see, Monday. So possible meetup.
I'll be arriving around noon on Monday, so maybe
Also, we could do that. Yeah, we could try to arrange that in the afternoon. So,
sure, yeah. Or I can just ping Tom and try to find out where everyone is. Yeah, don't worry about me. Thank you.
Yeah, we'll be pretty jet lagged at that point probably.
Yeah. So yeah. So I was just go. Last time I remember it's pretty. There are a lot of empty tables. This time I assume there'll be more people attending than last time in North America.
Yeah, it's pretty sparse last time.
Mm-hmm.
All right, cool. We can leave this to Slack channel. I think it's a good idea to meet face to face. I miss the days where I can go there as well.
Maybe we can set up something for you to join virtually. A Zoom. Maybe a little weird. I think the time zone will be a challenge.
Yeah, you don't get the human touch from my perspective.
Yeah, it's different. And also, I think it's going to be like a pretty big room, so it's pretty hard.
Yep. All right, cool. Anything else from the group? All right, we return 40 minutes actually to you today. Thanks.
Thanks everyone. Bye.
Thanks everybody.
Bye.
Cheers. Cheers.
Thank you.